Hey guys, Derek, Kelly's Concept, used car dealership located at 543 Bennett Lane, Suite 102 in Louisville, Texas. Today I'm going to walk you guys through on how to change out your AC vent. This is a 2010 BMW 535i GT. So this is the F07 body, should work with the F10s, basically all the 5 Series. But the same concept applies to all BMWs, most cars for a fact. So tools you'll need for this job is a small pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver, plastic pry tool, and a Torx T15. So as with any car, before you change out something, if you have the part, go ahead and study the part and see how it actually goes in there. If you notice right here, there's these 2 tabs. What you want to do is get your screwdriver in there, that your small pry tool, and get it in the slot and push down on that tab. So as you push down, it releases the tension up top so you can pull the old one out. All right. As always, use a plastic tool. Reason being so you don't scrape or mar up your dash. So find an opening crevice somewhere that's inconspicuous and just reach in there. Give it a little tug. And you see the whole thing comes right off. So if you're pulling out and the other vents are doing some other work, you take off the whole thing. I'm not, I'm just changing out this one vent, so I'm just going to leave it hanging right here. Take your T15, put in here, take out these 2 screws. Screw number 1, screw number 2. Now, as we studied our part a while ago, you'll see that there's 2 openings up here. You'll stick this tool in there, push down on it, and you'll see it come out a little bit. Go ahead and pull the pull, and out it comes. So you can see this one's already worn out. We got the new one or used one off eBay or wherever you can find it at. So we end up getting this part for 20 bucks. Just slide it in there, make sure it aligns in there with the vent tube. Reinstall your screws. Make sure you don't over torque them and then end up stripping out your hole. Then just grab your whole panel, align your center vents, and align all these clips you have in the back to the corresponding holes in the dash. Give a firm, even pressure across there. Get it, make sure that they're in the correct spots. You'll see it, they'll start going in. Once they start going in, you start giving the little slaps here and there. That's it. You're done. And you got a replacement vent. Thanks for watching, and stay with us for more videos to come.